Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change your hometown information in the Facebook mobile app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app, and you want to select your profile icon at the top right, and you want to go underneath Settings and Privacy and select it, and then select the Settings button. Scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility and select Profile Details. At this point, you can go ahead underneath Places Lived, and you can select Add City, and you can change different information depending on when you live there. And you select Add Location. And then you can say when you went there, basically. You select Done. And that's pretty much it. You can add some photos to it as well. You only have one hometown, which I already have listed here, and you can also modify just by selecting a little pencil icon next to it, and you can adjust the visibility settings for that too. And like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.